Hello, and welcome to the demonstration. In this demo, we are looking at the automation of resetting a user's password via two methods, through phone and chat. This process compares information given by the requester against information stored in JD Edwards ERP. If the information given matches what's in the system, a temporary password is generated and sent to the requester via email. For the purposes of this demonstration, we are using JD Edwards. However, this concept of resetting passwords can be extended to any system. The bot we developed for this automation is unattended, and the information gathered from potential users is the information used for the process. In this video, we are looking to cover four things: the objective of the proof of concept, the applications used for the process, a mapping of the process, and a demo showing the process in action. Let's dive in. The objective of this proof of concept is to create a chat system that allows a user to reset their account password via phone or chat. To the left, you can see the applications that were used to create this process. We'll review each application's role in detail later. To the right is the overall end goal for the project. We want to gather information in an automated fashion, use that information to verify identity, then send the user a temporary password via email, which is used to create their new account password. This bot is built using UiPath technology. UiPath is an RPA tool which primarily runs the show in the background for this process. This tool compares the information gathered from the applications to what is housed in our system, creates the user's temporary password, and emails the user detailing the next steps. In addition to UiPath, FlowXO, Twilio, and JD Edwards were used for this automation. FlowXO is a powerful automation product that allows you to construct chatbots that help you to communicate and engage with your customers. For this demo, it serves as the web chat application interface. We simply created a dialog flow that prompts the user to enter in account information to be used later in the process. Twilio is a cloud-based service that helps bridge the gap in business communication. It's the second method for gathering user input. This input is taken in via phone communication and essentially follows the same flow as the chat process. JD Edwards is an ERP solution and is the location of where the user's information is stored. Mind you, other applications or tools can be used to retrieve the information if desired. Pictured here is the process flow in a nutshell. Information is gathered from the user via Twilio or FlowXO. That information is then passed to UiPath. UiPath proceeds to compare that information against the information housed in JD Edwards. If the results return as a match, then a temporary password will be generated and sent to the user via email. Now that we've covered the details of the process, let's see it in action through both methods. We'll start with the chat flow. You can see here that the bot greets the user on startup. The bot then proceeds to ask the user what their issue is. For this use case, we are focused on resetting our password. They can either click the password reset button or simply type it out. Next, the bot asks the user to verify their employee ID. They also ask the user to verify their date of birth. And that's it. This is the only interaction the user has with our system. The rest of the work is done behind the scenes. The challenge questions can be customized as needed. For the purposes of this demo, we've used employee ID and date of birth. As you can see, after a few seconds, the bot responds to the user stating whether it was able to process their request or not. This is the email a user receives once their information is verified. Now, let's show the same process using the phone method. A user would make a call to the dedicated line to initiate this process. The automated voice greets the user and proceeds to ask what their issue is.
Hello, my name is Smartbot. What can I help you with? To get started, please listen to the few things I can do. To reset your password, press 1. To finish the call, press 9.
We choose the number 1 for password reset in this example. Next, the bot begins to ask for verification information. First their employee ID, then date of birth.
Please dial the employee number. This number is defined as the address book number on the system, followed by a hashtag. You entered 187,101. Was this correct? To confirm this, press 1. To modify this information, press 2. Next is your day of birth. Please listen to the directions carefully. To begin, enter 2 digits for the month, 2 digits for the day, and finally 4 digits for the year, followed by a hashtag. You entered 080619990. Is this correct? To confirm this, press 1. To modify this, press 2. Your information is currently being reviewed. Once this process is completed, we will contact you via text detailing next steps.
Thanks for calling. Goodbye.
And that's it, same as before. Once verified, the user receives a SMS informing them to check their email for their temporary password. This is the email a user receives once their information is verified, which is the same as before. This concludes our demonstration. To learn more, visit smartbridge.com/automation.